Universal Fit Kit, great assortment push retainer kit with 12 popular sizes, fitting for door trim, radiator shield yoke, fender, bumper, and splash shield retainers replacement for Ford, GM, Chrysler, Toyota, Honda and many more. Save time and money. You can find 240 pieces automotive push type retainer kit in the box and no need to go to auto parts store to look for different fasteners. You can remove the old clips using free fastener remover. High quality material with heavy duty construction for durability. This push type retainer set would not break or crack easily during use. Most common sizes. Do not worry about lost or damaged body fasteners. All the necessary retainers for exact replacement of old and broken retainer. Easy storage, comes with a plastic box with 12 compartments for organized storage. Compact size, convenient to store or carry within your car.